Alrighty, let's see how this thing comes out. Now this one is going to be regulatory review for dietary supplement. Here we go again. Hello again, PCQI, and welcome back to our channel. In this segment, we're going to be doing a regulatory review for dietary supplement. What specification must you establish? Now, we're going to put the link of the actual 21 CFR Part 111 in the description box. So if you would like to read the entire thing, it's going to be provided with the link in the description, okay? So this particularly in this part is going to be section 111.70. What specification must you establish? So that's the actual section. All right. So basically, you must establish a specification for any point, step, or stage in the manufacturing process where control is necessary to ensure the quality of the dietary supplement is packaged and labeled as specified in the master manufacturing record. For each component that you use in the manufacture of dietary supplement, you must establish component specification as follows. You must establish an identity specification. You must establish component specifications that are necessary to ensure that specification for the purity, strength, and composition of the dietary supplements manufactured using the components are met. And you must establish limits on these types of contamination that may adulterate or may lead to adulteration of the finished batch of the dietary supplement to ensure the quality of the dietary supplement. For the in-process production, you must establish in-process specifications for any point, step, or stage in the master manufacturing record where control is necessary to help ensure that specifications are met for the identity, purity, strength, and composition of the dietary supplements. And as necessary, for limits on those types of contamination that may adulterate or may lead to adulteration of the finished batch of the dietary supplement. You must provide adequate documentation of your basis for why meeting the in-process specifications in combination with meeting component specifications will help ensure that the specifications are met for the identity, purity, strength, and composition of the dietary supplements and for limits on those types of contamination that may adulterate or may lead to adulteration of the finished batch of the dietary supplement, and third part of this is quality control personnel must review and approve the documentation that you provide under paragraph of this section. You must establish specification for dietary supplement labels, label specification, and for packaging that may come in contact with dietary supplements, packaging specifications. Packaging that may come into contact with dietary supplement must be safe and suitable for its intended use and must not be reactive or absorptive or otherwise affect the safety or quality of the dietary supplement. Now, for each dietary supplement that you manufacture, you must establish product specifications for the identity, purity, strength, and composition of the finished batch of the dietary supplement, and for limits on those types of contamination that may adulterate or that they may lead to adulteration of the finished batch of the dietary supplement to ensure the quality of the dietary supplement. If you receive a product from a supplier for packaging or labeling as a dietary supplement and for distribution rather than for return to the supplier, you must establish specification to provide sufficient assurance that the product you receive is adequately identified and is consistent with your purchase order. You must establish specification for the packaging and labeling of the finished package and labeled dietary supplements, including specification that ensure that you use the specified packaging and that you applied the specified label. Okay, so that ends that one section for section 111.70, what specification must you establish. So let me end it there, my PCQI for dietary supplement. For our next regulatory review, if you have any questions or concern concerning this part of the Code of Federal Regulation, please comment below or email me at info@consultaireinc.com so we can address those. In the meantime, we're going to be providing a lot of these videos on our dietary supplement series where we put together programs, policies, and procedures, conforming to this particular Code of Federal Regulation or code within the 21 CFR 111 requirements. So till then, PCQI, thank you for your viewership. And if you see value to this video, kindly share and subscribe so we may continue our dietary supplement safety systems. All right. Thanks again and have a good day. Bye-bye.